Hey guys. So one of you was asking me about a Revlon product the other day, and that got me thinking about a Revlon lipstick that I no longer had in my collection, and I went out and repurchased it because there's something about this lipstick that makes it extremely versatile. What am I talking about? I'm talking about the Revlon matte lipstick in Nude Attitude. It's number 001. It's been around forever. But yeah, there's something about this lipstick because I've tried this trick with other lipsticks and it doesn't work out so well. So I don't know if it's the formula or the color or a combination of the two, but wait until you see what you can do with this lipstick. I normally do not wear this lipstick all by itself because it's not very flattering, frankly. But what I like to do with this lipstick is use it in conjunction with other products. So I'm going to give you an example of what I do with it, how I use it today. The first thing I'm going to do is start with my lip care product. I'm still using the Beauty Treats Jojoba Lip Care. This is $1 from shopmissy.com. I have another lip treatment product that I just bought recently, but I want to use up as much of this as I can because I do really like it. So make sure that you start with your lip care product because none of your other products are going to go on as well without a lip treatment, and the end result is going to be totally different if your lips are dry or in not the greatest condition. So I always like to start with that. Now what I did was I took all my lip liners and I put them in a pile in front of me, closed my eyes, and just reached in and grabbed one. And the reason why I did it that way is I wanted to show you the versatility of the Revlon lipstick in conjunction with any lip liner. So this is the one that I happened to grab for, but it wouldn't really make any difference which one I used. This is the Kylie Jenner Posie K lip liner. That is the shade right there. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to line my lips. And then I'm going to fill them in. When I line, I use the tip of the lip liner, and then when I fill them in, I sort of turn it on its side as much as I can. Then I go in with the Revlon Nude Attitude. Now this is a peachy, a very light peachy nude. And you're probably thinking, oh my God, that's gonna look awful over that lip liner. Watch what happens. You would think so. See what it did? So it muted the pinkiness of the Posie K lip liner and it warmed it up a bit. And I'm telling you, it doesn't seem to make any difference. I'm just wiping off the Posie K now off the lipstick. It doesn't seem to make any difference what liner you do this with. I don't know, something about, like I said, I don't know if it's the formula or the color or what it is, but when you think of matte lipsticks, you probably think of something super dry, and for something that's been on the market for as long as this has, you would think this would be a super dry formula, but it's not. It's a lovely formula, and so this is a lipstick that I like to have in my collection. and you know, mix it up with all my different lip liners. And I never wear this by itself. It just doesn't look good on me. But it might look good on you, but it doesn't look good on me. But yeah, so try it. Now, if you don't have this lipstick, try it with some of your other peachy matte nude lipsticks and see how it goes. And if you don't get, if the results that you get are not satisfying, then try this one. It's only $5, so, well, $5 at Walmart, so it's worth the experimentation. But yeah, I love this with all my lip liners, and it's almost like if you buy this one lipstick, now you can have however many liners that you have, that amount of lipstick. So you're increasing it by however many liners you have. Don't underestimate liners. They really make a difference, I feel like, in the finished look of your lip product. So that's it for today, you guys. Hope you enjoyed this lipstick trick tutorial, and I will see you in the next one. Bye. Thanks for watching and subscribing.